प्लान एंड ग्रो योर करियर इन फार्मास्यूटिकल एक्सपोर्ट बिजनेस वेबिनार में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आगे बढ़ने से पहले लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। आई एम नीलम शाह, योर कोच फॉर द डे। I have been into pharmaceutical export industry from last 2 decades. I have managed export business right start from executive to the director positions. आज मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ आप अपने करियर को फार्मास्यूटिकल एक्सपोर्ट इंडस्ट्री में किस तरह से प्लान कर सकते हैं और कैसे उसे ग्रोइंग रख सकते हैं। चलिए देखते हैं इंडियन फार्मास्यूटिकल एक्सपोर्ट मार्केट का पोटेंशियल और उसमें आपके लिए करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज किस तरह से हैं और कैसे आप उन करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज का सही तरीके से प्रयोग कर कैसे आप फार्मास्यूटिकल एक्सपोर्ट इंडस्ट्री में अपने करियर को एक्सेल कर सकते हैं। The today's webinar's topic is how to plan and grow your career in pharmaceutical export industry. The purpose of this academy is to empower youth and professionals in pharmaceutical export industry with the skills and know-how and expertise to keep growing, keep expanding and keep turning around the milestone. भारतीय फार्मास्यूटिकल एक्सपोर्ट इंडस्ट्री विश्व की सबसे बड़ी एक्सपोर्ट इंडस्ट्री है। इंडियन फार्मास्यूटिकल मार्केट इज द लार्जेस्ट एक्सपोर्टर टू वर्ल्ड ग्लोबली। इन वैल्यू टर्म इंडिया हैज एक्सपोर्टेड अराउंड $19 billion in the year of 2018-19. There are various export markets likewise North America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Latin American countries, West Asia and others. फार्माक्सिल के अनुसार 4,400 फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी एक्सपोर्ट इंस्टीट्यूशंस के रूप में रजिस्टर्ड हैं। Although India have more than 11,000 manufacturing units, that means there is still possibility to grow the numbers by 2.5 times as far as the scope and potential concern related to pharmaceutical export. फार्मास्यूटिकल मार्केट में फार्मास्यूटिकल एक्सपोर्ट इंडस्ट्री में जॉब एंड कैरियर के प्रोस्पेक्ट के बारे में देखें तो पता चलता है कि इंडियन फार्मास्यूटिकल एक्सपोर्ट इंडस्ट्री करियर प्रोस्पेक्ट डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 पार्ट्स। फर्स्ट इज सेल्स, सेकंड इज बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट, थर्ड इज लॉजिस्टिक्स एंड फोर्थ इज रेगुलेटरी। एंड ईच वर्टिकल स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम एग्जीक्यूटिव टू मैनेजर टू GM and then senior management level. The key verticals as a career or as a skills across Indian pharmaceutical export industry are sales, marketing, business development, logistics and regulatory. If someone likes to build up their career in sales, then they must understand the pharmaceutical product knowledge, the communication skills, customer relationship management, interpersonal skills and sales techniques. Likewise, if someone wants to develop their career in international marketing, then they must be aware about product knowledge, product life cycle, product promotion planning, 4 P's of marketing, training and grooming techniques and skills. And of course, market research is the key if you are talking about marketing side of international business. If we talk about international business development, anyone have to understand the market research, cross-cultural CRM. They should have good business planning and strategy capability along with 4 P's. The person should have good understanding about agreement and negotiation capabilities. And as far as business development concerned, the one have to learn how to manage stakeholders and keep them involved. The vertical of logistic or commercial involve understanding about commercial terminology, documentation, pre-shipment and post-shipment, your handling with the CNF, and knowledge about accounts and banking related to pharmaceutical export. The fifth dimension of pharmaceutical export involves regulatory aspects. To manage the regulatory aspects of pharmaceutical export industry, one should have understanding about QC and QA documentation, GMP and Ministry of Health requirement, CTD, ACTD filing, ICH guideline, and renewal compliances. NS Management Academy provides tools for self-reliance, practical help for practical people. Now it comes how to plan and grow your career with Indian pharmaceutical export. First is you should have a good academic knowledge, likewise your graduation, post-graduation in pharmaceutical or management. Then you should gather good knowledge and sharpen the essential skills. Then you enter into the job market and start your career as an executive. Slowly, gradually practice all this knowledge and essential skill. And then you need to master the know-how to lead a team. You need to master the subject and learn the capability to lead a team. After some time, when you perform well by using the know-how mastery and your leadership quality to manage a team, you have to develop excellence to guide and mentor and to direct your team and your company's stakeholders to achieve the success. NS Management Academy offers essential skills for pharmaceutical international business course, which is a 5 weeks program which covers all sales, marketing and business development aspects. Market cost of this program is 4,999 only. After knowing there is a huge number of people want to join this kind of courses to start their career using these skills, and since they have yet not started earning, and many times many of them are not able to afford it, so we have further discounted it and need to pay only 1,999 rupees to avail and access the online course directly from our website and enroll using the link given in the description to avail the discounted price. Wishing you all the best for starting your career and growing your business with the essential skills for pharmaceutical international business. Please do not forget to like and subscribe this channel to get future videos related to pharmaceutical export industry, and remain in touch with us. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद. वंदे मातरम.